Today marks the 46th graduation day of Felix T. Moring Senior Elementary School with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipino. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of colors and the processional march of the graduating class of batch 2023-2024, escorted by their parents, together with the teaching and non-teaching staff, barangay officials, guests, and visitors.
Forward.
Class of batch 2023 and 2024, escorted by their parents, together with the teaching and non-teaching staff, barangay officials, guests, and visitors.
Trustee Zafra. Sofmenia Michael Seth Peninsula.
Congratulations to our dear young graduates and completers. As you embark on the next chapter of your lives, dream big and aim for the highest goals. Remember that you have the power to shape your own future for your family, to the community, to the nation, and to the world. Let us unite behind the vision of Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. This year's theme reflects the aspirations and challenges of the Filipino youth in the current socio-economic and political climate around the universe. In a time of great challenges and opportunities, this theme serves as a beacon of hope, reminding us that the key to a stronger, more progressive family and Philippines lies in the hands of our young people. So continue to go on schooling, for through education, we can foster a generation of critical thinkers, innovators, and compassionate leaders who will drive the nation forward. Embrace the opportunities that lie ahead with courage, curiosity, and compassion. Use your education to pursue your personal goals and to make a positive difference in the lives of others. And never forget the values and lessons you have learned throughout your journey. Let us honor the hard work and dedication of our educators, teachers, and other school personnel, and much more our parents and family, who have gone above and beyond to ensure that learning continues despite the challenges met every day. As we look forward, let us continue to support and empower the Filipino youth, for they hold the key to a stronger and more progressive individual, family, and Philippines. Sa katapusan, ako di ay si Ma'am Jill Gonzalez, Head Teacher 1, School Head sa Sulpa National High School. O paghinaot ako nga makita-kita tapuhon sa Sulpa National High School, mga ginikanan o mga estudyante. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you, Mom, for sharing the inspirational message of our district supervisor. Today's program is being graced by a special woman who will in a minute deliver her words of wisdom to our young graduates and to their parents as well. To get to know more of her, may we call on Miss Maria Lisa G. Labinia, Master Teacher 2 of Felix T. Maring Senior Elementary School, Mrs. Maria Lisa G. Labinia, for the introduction of the guest speaker.
To our district representative, Principal 1 of Quezon Elementary School, Mr. Edie E. Albacete, Head Teacher 1 of Sulpa National High School, Dr. Jill G. Gonzalez, to our very own Principal 1 of Felix T. Maring Senior Elementary School, Mr. Ronnie E. Lucanias, to my co-mentors, to our guest speaker, Barangay Council, headed by our Barangay Captain, Honorable Ranilo P. Gorillo, PTA and homeroom officers, parents, graduates, visitors, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to all. Good afternoon, oy. Ano ba? Magkatugo na. Kulit ay magsugod. A graduation ceremony would never be complete without someone who will give fresh perspectives and invaluable knowledge and experiences that will inspire our young ladies and gentlemen as they embark on life's journey outside elementary institution. Today, it is my great honor and privilege to introduce to you our guest speaker on this 46th graduation ceremony of class of school year 2023-24. She is a 25-year-old female, native resident of Hibulangan, Villaba, Leyte, who attended elementary in Hibulangan Elementary School in 2004 to 2010 and completed her secondary education in National Comprehensive High School in the year 2014. With her passion in dealing with numbers, she acquired a degree in the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, in Visayas State University, Villaba Campus in the year 2019. As a 21st century individual, she is computer literate and has commendable leadership skills, who is also good in badminton. Being a well-balanced lady, she also indulges herself during her leisure time watching Korean dramas. As young as she has already earned 36 units in her postgraduate studies, major in mathematics, which proves her great love for this subject. She was once an area supervisor in the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Region 8 in Tacloban City in the year 2018. And she is presently teaching in Juan V. Dilantar National High School, Consigra, Leyte, Leyte. This lady was brought into the world on July 16, 1990 by Mr. and Mrs. Aurelio and Luisa Ayani and is married to Renanti R. Arellano. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome with a big round of applause our honored guest speaker, Maria Lia Ayani Arellano.
Thank you for that pleasing introduction, Ma'am. I appreciate your warm welcome. First of all, I would like to thank God for giving me this great opportunity to interact with all of you and for bringing us here today. To our very kind and accommodating Public Schools District Supervisor of Villaba South District, Dr. Marilyn O. Marquez, to our dedicated and handsome Principal 1, Mr. Ronnie N. Lucanias, sir, to our beautiful, diligent, and intelligent teaching staff of Felix T. Moring Senior Elementary School, to all happy graduates, to our proud parents, to our active barangay captain, together with his officials, distinguished visitors, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant and a blessed afternoon to all of you. Again, maayong hapon kaninyong tanan. We are gathered here to celebrate an important milestone in your academic journey, your graduation ceremony with the theme, Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. I am so honored and delighted for you have chosen me as your guest speaker of today's significant occasion. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to share my story, experiences, and inspiring thoughts with all of you today. Before I go further with my speech, may I first congratulate the graduates of the day marks the attainment of your dreams. Today is a proof that you have surmounted the challenges of elementary education. You are victors at this moment because you have attained your victory. You have acquired the knowledge and skills necessary for you in stepping the next ladder of learning. Secondly, congratulations sa mga tanang ginikanan, kay karon inyo nang mapupo ang bunga sa tanan ninyong sakripisyo para sa inyong mga anak. Nakahimo kamo og dako nga bahin sa paghulma sa inyong mga anak, sukad sa ilang pagkahimugso hangtod niining higayuna. The next persons whom I would like to congratulate are of course the teachers. You have successfully done great responsibilities in bringing these children to what they are now. Your undying love, guidance, commitment, and dedication to teach these children have made great changes in their lives. You are like a gardener who gently tending the children's need and ensuring that they have a perfect environment to nourish or bloom where they are planted. Graduates, right now you are reaping of what you have sown. Pero dili pa kini ang katapusan. Mao pa lang kini ang unang ngaang ug daghan pa kamoy maagian ng mga pagsuway o kalisod sa kinabuhi. 14 years ago, I'm just like you, sitting right there, listening to our guest speaker. While listening to the guest speaker's stage, na-inspired ko sa iyahang story, sa iyahang life. Nakaingon ko sa akong kaugalingon, I wanted to be like her someday. I hope na ma-inspire sad mo sa akong speech karon. Katulad ninyo, ako ay isang estudyante nagmula rin sa Felix T. Moring Senior Elementary School, unoon ay Bulangan Elementary School. Ako sa kaanak sa mag-ugma o motorcycle driver ug ang akong inahan o sa plain housewife. Nagtubo sa simple o malipayon nga pamilya. Masasabi kong maswerte ako sa aking nakalakihan bisan pa man sa kalisod nga among nagian. We got to experience ang pagpanghurnal sa pinyahan, pagpanguling o kahoy, pagtanong sa kabasakan, o pag-ani sa humayan. It was one of my unforgettable experience as a farmer's daughter. Our family has always been tightly woven together, bound by the threads of love and support that run through each generation. Sa among pag-eskwela, ug sa among tagsa-tagsa nga panginahanglanon, nahatag kini sa among ginikanan. Nagtubo ako nga akong ginikanan. Grabe ang pag-value sa edukasyon. Kay kung nila pa man, paniguro pag-eskwela, mitras kaya pa na mga sumuporta para dili maparihas sa amo ang inyong kaugmaon. Umakuha ka mo pindot nga trabaho nga dili ka mo mabuhat sa init. As common as it sounds, edukasyon lang ang mapaypamana sa atong madili makukuha sa uban. As I embark on elementary days, it's my great joy having the medal and recognition and seeing my parents proud of me. Yun rin ang naging rason upang pagbutihin ko pa ang aking pag-aaral. And when I was in high school, naniguro ko nga na ako pilmi sa section 1. Kaya para ma-proud silang mama o papa kanako. And thankfully, consistent academic achiever ko from first year to fourth year high school. I graduated in high school year 2013 to 2014 after Super Typhoon Yolanda. Ning graduate nga walay atop ang stage kay gilupad sa Baguio. Mao ni kay year nga galisod jud ang among pamilya kay gigubad sa Baguio ang among pambalay. Og mao nga rason ngano wa ko na eskwela dayon og college for 1 year. Nanabaho ani ko sa Tacloban bilang yaya until na ako na-meet na guy Mao'y nagka-encourage na ako nga may eskwela o college since na daw daghan nag-offer og scholarship ug labi na 4 piece beneficiary sab ko. And college life came so fast as I became a mom. When I was in 3rd year college, I have known that I'll be entering motherhood very soon. It was disappointing and devastating, but I have to stand by my choices in life. I continued my study until I gave birth to my son. Bisan kini nga mga panahon, my family, friends, my husband, and my husband's family was my support system. There's always a reason behind everything that happens. My son was my ray of light during the darkest days of my life. I graduated 2019, and the same year, passed the licensure board examinations for teachers. Akala ko nung una, okay na, makakuha tayo ng trabaho. But in reality, hindi pala madaling maghanap ng trabaho. Dagan ko pang-applyan online and on-site. And after 5 years of seeking a job, finally, nakapot na ako ang akong pangandoy para sa akong pamilya. I already had a permanent job, a senior high school teacher too, sa usa ka public school sa Leyte. And so, the stories goes up to this day. As I navigated through my own struggles, I learned the importance of perseverance. It is a journey with twists and turns, detours and roadblocks. It requires dedication, hard work, and the ability to bounce back from failures. It's about embracing failures as valuable lessons and using them to fuel your determination to succeed. Throughout our lives, we are often taught to fear failure, to see it as something to be avoided at all costs. But I want to challenge that notion. Failure is not the end. It is merely a stepping stone on the path to success. It is an opportunity to learn, grow, and become stronger. Each one of you sitting here today has faced challenges, moments when you questioned your abilities, and wondered if success would ever come your way. As you move forward, surround yourself with people who believe in you, who inspire and motivate you to reach for the stars. Cherish the support of your family, friends, and mentors, for they are the ones who will uplift you during times of doubt and celebrate your successes with unwavering pride. Graduates, you have already proven your ability to overcome challenges, and I have no doubt that you will continue to do so as you venture into higher grades and beyond. Your journey may have been tough, but it has equipped you with the tools necessary to face the future with confidence and resilience. And now, may I request to all graduates to please stand, and together let us honor the people behind your success. Palihog ko pagkanto sa inyong mga ginikanan, give them a hugs and kisses they deserve. Pasalamat sa tanan, pasalamat sa walay katapusang gugma, pasalamat sa suporta o pasalamat sa tanan nilang sakripisyo.
What I got, more than I ever hoped for.
suporta sa inyong mga anak hangtod makahuman sila sa ilang pag-eskwela ug mangabot nila ang ilahang mga pag-antoy. Hatagan nato ug masipang pakpak ang inyong mga ginikanan. O karon, ato sa pasalamatan ang inyong mga teachers. Please repeat after me. To our beloved teachers, thank you for your extraordinary patience,
Oh, teacher's pad.
for guiding us, for inspiring us, for making us what we are today. We will always be grateful to you for all your hard work and effort. Atong hatagan ug masipang pakpak ang inyong mga teachers. Again, congratulations to the faculty of Felix T. Moring Senior Elementary School for imparting the necessary knowledge to this batch that they are going to use on their next journey in life. And of course, sa atong graduates karon, congratulations for completing your elementary school journey. Please give a hand to yourself for your dedication and hard work that made come this far. And kindly face on your right and tell him or her, good job and congratulations. So graduates, always remember nga ang kalampusan dili lang nasusukod sa imo diploma, medals, awards, and recognition, kundi nasusukod kini sa imo diskarte ug pagpabilin nga lig-on bisan pa man sa mga unos nga imo nasusinati sa kinabuhi. Embrace the lessons learned from failure, embrace the concept of late success, and let it guide you towards a future filled with remarkable achievements. Go forth, grow, and be successful. Before I end my speech, I'll leave you with this final quote from a great author, Harriet Tubman. Every great dream begins with a dreamer. Always remember, you have within you the strength, the patience, and the passion to reach for the stars, to change the world. Thank you very much and mabuhay.
Respect to our dynamic district supervisor, Dr. Marilyn O. Marquez, Principal 1 of Felix T. Moring Senior Elementary School, Mr. Ronnie N. Lucanias, Principal 1 of Cacquiason Elementary School, Mr. Edmundo A. Albacete, Head Teacher 3 of Sulpa National High School, Dr. Jill Gonzalez, Barangay Captain, Honorable Ranilo P. Gurillo, members of Sangguniang Barangay, PTA BOD officers headed by the PTA President, Mrs. Yolanda Tabucanon, our distinguished guest speaker, our dear teachers, to all proud parents, my fellow graduates, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. The day has come at last, the day of much awaited hopes, the day for which 7 solid years we have strived and labored for, not to mention the sacrifices of our beloved parents, the guiding hands and patience of our dear teachers, and those who in one way or another had helped us to reach this goal. Today, together with my batchmates, we celebrate our success after all these years of hardship, struggle, and perseverance. We reminisce the challenges that stood before us, and we savor the victories that came upon our hands. It was not so long ago when I dared to dream, and not so long ago when I dared to take the first essential steps towards the fulfillment of my elementary education. Young as I am today, I can say that failures and trials should not be the reason for us to say no and never try to do something. Rather, let us make them an inspiration to do better. Let them strengthen our character. These medals I have today are the fruits of my labor. I know I could not be on top if not because of those who had helped me in every step of the way for me to succeed the challenges that come my way. The area and division school press conference, my SCLG journey, my sports journey, among others. Sa akong journalism life, na ako'y na-learn at the same time nag-enjoy pod ko. Daghan ko og nahimong friends labi na kadtong dito mi sa Abuyo. Nag-enjoy ko kay nakasuroy ko sa mga lugar nga wala pa ko kaadto tungod kay dili ko anad sa biyahe. Sa akong pagka-SCLG president, makaingon ko nga lisod ang paghandle sa mga bata kay usahay dili sila maminaw. Bisan sa gamay nga butang, nakatabang mi sa eskwelahan, gikan sa pagmonitor sa kalimpyo o kahapsay sa eskwelahan, sa pag-guide sa mga bata during flag ceremony, pagtabang sa mga teachers during programs, among others. Tungod ani, na-improve akong self-confident o leadership skills. Sa akong pagka-achiever, nalipay ko kay dagan ko og achievements. Pero, dili ni na ako makuha tanan kung wala ko naniguro o nag-ampok o kung wala ang suporta sa mga tao sa akong palibot. Allow me to thank these people who have helped me since day one. First and foremost, to my parents, salamat sa inyong pag-atiman sa among managsuon. Inyong gibuhat ang tanan para lang makaeskwela mi sa akong ate. Daghang salamat sa inyong sakripisyo. Akong balikon, ma, pa, daghang salamat. To my Ibanez family in Hibulangan, salamat sa inyong pagsuporta sa akuan, especially si Manoy Litoy. Salamat sa pagtabang sa akong pag-eskwela. Dili na ako makalimtan ang inyong gibuhat para sa akuan. To all teachers, salamat sa inyong hard work. Salamat kaayo labi na sa among advisor, Ma'am Nikki May Sirimulta, AP and HE teacher, Ma'am Charlene E. Tabulong, ICT teacher, Sir Lucito Cabalhit. Salamat kay daghan niya og na-learn. Og sa uban nga mga teacher sa Felix T. Moring Senior Elementary School, kamo among giisip nga second parents. Daghang salamat, Ma'am and Sir. Most especially kang Sir Ronnie Lucanias. Salamat, Sir, sa imong suporta permi. Grabe imong dedication sa school. To my friends, salamat sa mga katawa o mga memories. Kamo ang akong tinuod nga higala nga permi naa sa akong kiliran. At to my classmates, salamat kaayo sa atong mga memories. Dili ta mo makalimtan tanan. I hope magkatagan gihapon ta ninyo bisag high school na ta. We end up one glorious chapter of our lives and a new one will begin. New adventures, new friendship, new struggle, but with the things we learned from Felix T. Moring Senior Elementary School, let's keep stepping forwards the fulfillment of our dreams. If we can dream it, we can do it. To our alma mater, thank you for being the integral part of our learning. You mold us to be a person of value and intellect. We promise to bring glory and honor to your name. Along the way, we may meet a lot of trials, but our burning desire to reach our goals will keep us from giving up. Along the way were many uncertainties, but light will show us the right path to take. Fellow graduates, please stand. Let us thank God for His unceasing grace and guidance, our teachers for their immeasurable dedication, our parents for their unconditional support all these years, and our friends who walk along with us. Let us clap our hands for all of them. Congratulations, fellow graduates. Thank you and mabuhay.
Thank you, Roy, for sharing your wonderful words and thoughts about your experiences during your elementary school journey. To do the Pledge of Loyalty, please welcome Leah Angela A. Linganay with high honors. Leah Angela A. Linganay for her Pledge of Loyalty.
Graduates, let us all stand. Pledge of Loyalty. We, the young graduates of Felix T. Moring Senior Elementary School, this school year 2023-2024, having been graduated today, do hereby solemnly promise that I will faithfully comply with all its duty, promulgated rules and regulations, that in all my endeavors, as an expression of deep gratitude to my parents, my teachers, and to God, I will always conduct myself in accordance with the principles laid down by my alma mater, and that I will always hold high the torch of truth and righteousness, always, everywhere, and at any cost, so that in our beloved Philippines, the law of God may reign supreme. So help me God.
And experiences was especially to our graduates. Secondly, to Ma'am Jill Gonzalez, to Sir Edmundo Albacete, sa atong mga barangay officials, Konsihal Amboy, Konsihal P, Konsihal Generally, sa atong mga school PTE officials, President Yolanda, Treasurer Shirley, sa pagmanang convention. O sa tanang parents sa grade 6, sa tanan, ang atong sound system provider, my hardworking teachers, this activity would not be a successful one without our all hard work and dedication. Graduates, congratulations. Parents, congratulations. I hope this 23 elementary graduates amo rapan silang ipalow up by July kung asa sila mo-enroll sa grade 7. Naapaman mo yung group chat with Ma'am Nikki. Si Ma'am Nikki lang makita nila asa sila nagpa-enroll sa grade 7. I hope kamo pwede please enroll. Sakto si Manay usa, supposedly 28 ni sila, naagi usa kawa kalahutay. Amo kaligit ko siya gibagi og modules. Pero wata kaybaw sa rason nga nagwa yun kalahutay. Graduates, lahutay dito. Og inyong nakuha ang nindot na history ni Ma'am Lia, wala rason nga dili ninyo mahimo. So, again, continue your studies. I hope 6 junior high 4 years, senior high 2 years, that is 6 years, plus 4 years, 10 years. So this will be 2024 plus 10, that is 2024. I hope all of you makaman o college, and one of you someday mahimo na po is speaker diri sa Village Timoring Senior Elementary School. Sa tanan ninyo, as the school head of Village Timoring Senior, nagsugod atong January 2020, basin mao ni last nako na graduation sa Village Timoring Senior Elementary School. Wata kaybaw kay ang school head dili pwede na mosobra og 5 years. So, kapalikon sa mga barangay officials, parents, daghang salamat sa inyong suporta, labi na ang Honorable Ranilo Gorilio, sa mga officials, kung sa among ihangyo, di niyo malibaran, paggamit sa covered court, kanang bangko, paggamit ta, kung doon ay tupad, duli, na i-assign sa eskwelahan pagpanglimpyo, mga ginita na nagtakbo, daghang salamat. Nagmalampuson ang atong activities eskwelahan tungod ninyo. Matod pa, it takes a village to educate a child. Nagkinanglan o komunidad pag-edukar sa bata. Dili lang sa eskwelahan, dili lang sa parents, but tulong. Eskwelahan, parents, and community. Kung naan ang tulong, epektibo ang eskwelahan. So again, sa tanan, my teachers, I know some of you have worn your midnight candles for the preparation. Special mention di ay si Konsehal Heldo. Daghang salamat sa imong stage decoration. So di na ko maglangay o maayong hapon kanatong tanan.